Here's Taylor riding the bicycle for the very first time. She just learned how to ride today. We just put her pedals back on after she learned how to balance. Good job, Taylor. What do you think, Taylor? Is it fun? Let me get Taylor. What do you think?
Easy.
It is?
Easy.
Tell us how you can learn how to ride a bike. Tell us what you did.
I took the pedals off and went to a hill, kicked my feet up, and just went down. And once I got and kept going until I really started to fall.
Yeah.
And then we put it on the pedals. I kept practicing, and we stayed there a long time because of Slowpoke Maddie. We couldn't. Maddie needed to practice much more than me, so we stayed there extra long so she could practice, and now I got extra time, so I'm expert.
So we just put your pedals on today, and look at you go. Taylor, ride around me just a little bit more so I can see you on the video.
Okay, fine.
Don't go far and come back this way. Wow, Taylor. Look at you turn corners. Look at you go.
For the first time, this is easy.
Wow, Taylor. Very nice. Go this way. Look at you
You
go.
said this would be hard. This is easy.
Maddie, it won't be long before you're riding with no... Here comes Taylor. Here she comes. Come back around this way again. Goodness, Taylor. Come on. You know how to get started? Okay, try it again and show me how you get started.
Okay, I need to get on a hill.
No, you just push your foot down on the one that's up high, the pedal that's up high. You push that kind of hard to get started. That's right. That's right. There you go. There you go. There you go. Try it again with the foot that's up high. You have to kind of get one of the pedals up high. Yeah, you've almost got it.
Let me get it just down
Yeah. Okay. Kind of start going towards Maddie since that's downhill a little bit, and then you can...
The only one I'm doing it the other way.
Okay, okay, there you go, there you go.
Okay, this is kind of good. I need to be going
Okay,
down.
go this way, it's downhill. Turn it around and go towards...
It's not downhill.
What?
Somebody have to push me down.
No, I'll show you. Okay, now go, because you're going downhill. Good job, Taylor. Excellent. Wow, Taylor, great job. Come back and give me... Come give me a high five, Taylor. Kick it down with your foot, Maddie. There you go. Maddie. You'll be riding pretty soon. Come here, Taylor, and give me a high five. We'll be all done. Come show me how to stop right in front of Mommy. Show me. Wow, Taylor.
Mom, I learned how to get started my own way.
Okay.